Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on this early 2025 arrival. It's a 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. Perfectly equipped in the Sea Ray blue hull color, water sports arch. This one's got the white 300 Mercury V8 Verado on it. Underwater lights I see. Upgraded stereo system. It's got the sea deck flooring here in the back. Such a beautiful layout for a 25. This back-to-back seat here changes direction so you can be sitting forward with a push of your hand, nice and easy. It's a nice aft lounger. Look at the cockpit on this. This is the stone interior, by the way, probably the most popular interior. You have back-to-back loungers there that convert without having to do anything major. This has the infinity woven vinyl flooring, freshwater washdown I see back here, stereo controls. Your battery switches are in this compartment here. I also see USBs everywhere. Big water sports tower with bimini on this boat. It gives you a lot of coverage. Look at this gorgeous helm. 12-inch Simrad digital display. No gauges on this dash. All DTS controls, fly-by-wire. Push-button start. How cool is that on a 25-footer? Lots of storage under the seats, storage in the floor. And look at this unconventional bow here. You walk through the port side instead of through the middle. Gives you a great opposing seating here in the bow. Storage for your anchor locker. Okay, what a great layout for a 25. And then last but not least, you actually have a nice little cabin on this boat with a pump out porta potty underneath that cushion that lifts up. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Sea Ray dealer. We'll do a little panorama of our marina here. Full service here, been here for decades. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.